Hello, and welcome back to my channel Best Products, where I review the latest gadgets and gizmos for your home. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 best window cleaning robots of 2023 based on their features, performance, and customer reviews. These robots can save you time and effort by automatically cleaning your windows inside and out with just a touch of a button. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Coming in at number 5 is the Conga Windroid 870-T. This window cleaning robot from Ecotech can clean and dry your windows using its smart iTech Win 4.0 navigation system. It is equipped with a triple safety system and can detect window edges to plan the most efficient cleaning path. The Conga has 4 cleaning modes and can be controlled manually via the included remote control. It uses high-quality microfiber mop cloths to quickly and powerfully clean your windows. Overall, the Conga Windroid 870 is a great option if you want an automated window cleaning robot on a budget. Next up at number 4 is the Winbot X from Ecovix Robotics. This is a free-moving robot that can independently navigate and clean windows of different sizes and shapes. It uses intelligent technology to avoid obstacles while cleaning. The Winbot X securely attaches to glass to ensure stability and safety. Some models also come with auto spray feature to spray cleaning solution on your windows. With smart navigation and a sturdy design, the Winbot X is great for effortless automated window cleaning. Coming in at number 3 is the Hobot 298. This window cleaning robot uses an ultrasonic water spray nozzle to evenly clean window surfaces. It has a detachable water tank and can be controlled via smartphone or remote. The Hobot 298 moves in a zigzag pattern and can detect window edges. With its automatic spray dispenser, the Hobot 298 delivers solid cleaning performance for most window types. Runner-up for the number 2 spot is the Mamabot iGlass Spot W120T. This robot excels at cleaning windows, glass doors, and mirrors. You can control it via app or remote, and it uses Z, N, and Z-tin cleaning patterns for maximum coverage. The iGlass Spot has a stylish design and delivers great cleaning results on both internal and external windows. For powerful automated window cleaning, the Mamabot iGlass Spot W120T is an excellent choice. And now, my pick for the number 1 window cleaning robot of 2023 is the Winbot W1 Pro from Ecovacs. This robot features a steady climbing system to keep your windows wet for spotless cleaning. It has upgraded navigation technology and robust protection. With a super strong 2,800 Pascal suction power, the Winbot W1 Pro removes dirt and grime with ease. You can control it remotely from anywhere, and it makes window cleaning simple. If you want the very best results from an automated window cleaner, the Winbot W1 Pro takes the top spot. So there you have it, the top 5 window cleaning robots you can get in 2023 for sparkling clean windows with minimal effort. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let me know in the comments which robot you plan on buying. I'll have links to all these window cleaners in the video description. Subscribe to see more useful gadget reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.